it's been good. We get to change the tracks up a lot and the dirt too, so I think it's gonna help all of us prepare a bit better for east or west. We have a gift here. We can almost have the track like hard pack or also really ruddy like an East Coast track. So it's been good, and I feel like the boys have kept it pretty fun even in the hard times. So yeah, it's been good. I don't look at it too much as really one individual person, because there's a lot of racers out there, but I'll just say anyone that's like kind of who I grew up racing, I really hate when they beat me or anything like that, like the younger guys. And I also want to beat the older guys too, because that's pretty cool, and trying to retire them. But yeah, I mean, I guess kind of everyone. I want to win. Last year I know I had the speed to win, and I just wasn't putting the pieces together. Like, I was just your typical rookie. But I think I've matured a lot, and yeah, I want to go in and I want to be consistent. That's also a huge thing for me, is being there every round, because last year was a little up and down for sure, and that's what it comes down to, is being consistent, because you see it all the time, like not always the fastest guy wins, and comes down to who makes less mistakes.